Welcome back to school. I am Mrs. Walker, your Dean of Students. I'm excited to introduce you to eHall Pass. We will be using this digital version of a Hall Pass this year. Let me help you learn how to get logged into eHall Pass. Step 1, go to the CCHS eHall Pass icon. Click on that. Step 2, click on the Google Log in with Google on your Clever screen. Step 3, click on the Google symbol at the bottom of the eHall Pass login, and then click on your Google email address. You are now at your Student eHall Pass student dashboard. It is time to personalize your dashboard with your teachers and with your zone areas that you would be using. Restrooms, your water fountains, and water fill stations that you would be departing from, and the destinations in which you'll be going. Let's look at how you will request a pass from your teachers. You must first verbally request a pass from your teacher before you digitally write a pass in eHall Pass. So once your teacher has approved, this pass is waiting an approval. Once your teacher has approved for you to go, this is what your pass would look like. Once your teacher has approved your pass, take the appropriate reusable pass with you to your location. You do not need your device. When you return, please remind your teacher to end your pass. If you want to make an appointment to see someone, you would make an appointment pass. Teachers, counselors, attendants, and administration may be sending you and your teachers an appointment for you to come. Please watch the sidebar for your appointments. Now that I have given you an overview of eHall Pass, your teachers can assist you with the process, or I am happy to assist you at any time. Feel free to email me at dwalker@culpeperschools.org. Have a great year.